I've said in the past that merch by Amazon is just not worth it. There's too many people selling on the platform that you just end up spending a ton of time designing and uploading shirts and not making much money as a result of it. And since I said that in a video, a ton of people have come out and agreed with me on that point. So because I think this, I actually stopped uploading shirts to Amazon 12 months ago. August 2018 was the last time I uploaded a shirt. But when I was doing my finances this month and seeing where all my money had come from, I actually noticed a Merch by Amazon payment coming into my account 12 months since I last uploaded to the platform. And the amount I was paid this month actually shocked me. So this video is going to be all about what you can expect to be earning from Merch by Amazon 1 year after you stop using it. So if you like that idea, give this video a like and let's get started. Okay, so this is a monthly earnings breakdown video. I'm currently on a challenge I've set myself to make $100,000 in 12 months. And I do a monthly income report to track the progress of how I'm doing. So this is for August 2019, month 7 of that 12-month challenge to make $100,000. So these videos run through all the different places on the internet that I make money from every month and list them out so that you can see them and do the same thing yourself. So we're going to go through every single bit of income that I make, including Merch by Amazon. And then at the end of the video, we're going to jump into my Merch by Amazon dashboard to explore that in more detail. So you're going to notice that apart from Merch by Amazon, all my other sources of income are related to me having this YouTube channel. So if you want to learn how to build a profitable YouTube channel yourself and plug all these different types of income into that channel to maximize your earnings through YouTube channel, make sure to head over to my website and pop your email address in, because I'm currently making my new training course, the YouTube Money Making Academy. And by putting your email address on that list, you'll get an email as soon as that course is ready. But let's not waste any more time. Let's jump into exactly what I've made this month. So first thing we're going to talk about this month is my affiliate marketing income. I made $2,235 from affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically where you talk about other people's products, and if you make a sale of that person's product, the product manufacturer gives you a commission. So it's getting commissions for making sales. So my top earning affiliate marketing products, for instance, that I normally talk about on this channel, first off are Shopify. If we jump over to my laptop now, we're going to see my Shopify dashboard. We'll see that I had a payment of $419 for this 2 weeks and $1,016 for the 2 weeks after, which add up to $1,400 something for the 4 weeks of July. I always tell people to get onto the Shopify affiliate program and start promoting Shopify. It's completely free to do. And I've even made a video in the past, which you can see here, and I'll link you to in the description, of exactly how to do that yourself. So make sure to check out that video if you want to start promoting Shopify for free to people you know and earning a commission for doing so. Another piece of affiliate marketing income that I've made is through the website ClickBank, where I received a check in the mail this month for $423, completely by surprise. I wasn't expecting it at all. Made a video a couple of weeks ago on exactly how I do that. You'll see it on the screen now. If you want to learn how to make money through ClickBank for free as well, check that video out and you'll see step by step how I made that money. But yeah, in total, all of my affiliate marketing income sources came to a total of $2,235. And I'll put every single one down in the description so you can read that product by product. But the next source of income that I made this month that contributed to my total income is going to be through YouTube. It's the ads that you see on my YouTube channel that YouTube pays me for. YouTube paid me $1,595. So just to prove that, I've got my YouTube dashboard up now, and you can see up here, we've got the date set for July. So 1st to 31st of July, because YouTube paid me in August for what I made in July. And if we scroll down, you can see that they're estimating I made around $1,637 in July. Now that's an estimate. I actually made $1,595, but that's still pretty good. Okay, and the final thing I made money through before we got into Merch by Amazon and what they paid me this month is for a informational PDF that I sell through links on my videos on this channel. I made $18 in August just from selling those PDFs. So nothing crazy. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but that's an additional $18. Okay, great. So we covered those 3 sources of income so far. Before we jump on to the final one, Merch by Amazon, that's affiliate marketing, YouTube ad revenue, and the ebook that I sell through my channel. Like I said before, if you want to learn how to make money through any of those things through a YouTube channel, make sure to sign up for my YouTube Money Making Academy that's coming soon, following the link in the description below. But now let's jump over to Merch by Amazon and find out how much money I made from Merch by Amazon in August and then jump into my dashboard for some more information. So the running total that I made in August with Merch by Amazon is $170. That's $170 for not even touching anything. I haven't uploaded a shirt in 12 months and Amazon is still paying me $170 in a month. Now, if you'd like to make that type of money for doing nothing, for just living your normal life and having that cash hit your bank account every month, make sure to give this video a like. It really helps this video gets noticed with the YouTube algorithm. And well, just wait and we're going to jump into my dashboard and you're going to see a bit more detail. So just to conclude, I made $4,018 in total in August. So that brings my running total in month 7 of the $100,000 challenge up to $23,736 after 7 months. So you can see I'm not on track at the moment to make $100,000 in 12 months. I'm not going to get into too much detail in this video because this is more about Amazon, but I'm going to make a video in the future on that current progress and what I plan on doing in the future. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell so you get alerted as soon as those updates video come out. But let's jump into my Merch by Amazon dashboard on my computer. We'll see here some of my products. You can see that nothing was really made since the 9th, so September of 2018. So I've really not touched this at all since last year. And if we jump into the earnings screen, you'll see for July 2019, so this is what Amazon paid me in August for what I earned in July. You can see that for Amazon.com up here, in July 2019, I made $164, but I had $23 in reductions. So that comes to $140 on Amazon.com. And then we're gonna jump over to Amazon.co.uk where I made some money as well in July. I made another £24 there, which comes to about $30. So in total, that's $170 of earnings through Amazon for doing nothing 12 months later. So that kind of money is amazing to be making for basically doing nothing. It's a really good source of passive income. And you're probably thinking, am I reassessing my decision with Merch by Amazon? Do I want to take back what I said about it before and maybe get back to using it myself? Well, the answer is no. And the reason being is I am making lots more money from those other income sources, what I spoke about in this video, than I am with Merch by Amazon. For the amount of time that I put into Merch by Amazon to the money I'm getting out now, I could have put equal amount of time into those other ways of making money and be making a ton more money every month than I ever have with Amazon. Now, don't get me wrong, Merch by Amazon is great for people just starting out to make money online that maybe don't have as wide a set of skills that I do and they're just trying to learn one thing in particular. It's completely free to use. There's no risk for you to learn how to use it. But if you are sort of a bit further along on your journey, I think there's other areas of making money online where you can make a lot more for the same amount of time. And I'm trying to make this $100,000 in a year. I need to be putting my time into the things that are most lucrative rather than things that are making me less money. So that means moving away from Merch by Amazon and moving towards the more lucrative sources of income. So I take back what I said a little bit. If you're just starting out, Amazon can be great for making an initial bit of money online, getting a taste for that and having that hit your account every month. But if you want to be making the bigger amounts of money, you need to be exploring other streams of income, like the things I spoke about in this video, and maybe even other things that I'm not doing myself, but are out there and are more lucrative. So just bear that in mind. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you pro Merch by Amazon or anti? Have I got it all wrong? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Ring the notification bell so you hear when a video comes out as soon as it comes out in the future. And if you're leaving YouTube, make sure to check out my Instagram at @startstartingup to follow me there, where I basically do near enough daily updates on how things are going for me and just random passive income tips that I see out there on the internet. So follow me on Instagram, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you very soon.